All right, YouTube, so let's look at this expensive machine shop work. You ready? So this is the existing rotor that was on my Monte Carlo that I needed this machined out on the new rotors to this size. Ready? So there's their part number, I guess, for their job number. For the guy that spent 4 hours taking the hole that was already here and machining it out, just a small change there. 4 hours, $150 a rotor to machine a center hole in a rotor that was already there, and the difference was like 2 inches in 2 to 2 in 80, 250 to 280. Yeah. Any machine shop guys out there want to comment on this? A guy stood there for 4 hours ish doing that on 2 rotors.